I have a jelly-filled donut. I'm going to take a bite of my jelly-filled donut. I bite one side, what happens to the other? If I bite too hard and too quick, the jelly pushes out the other side, right? That's called a herniated disc. So let's take a look at what we have. We have intervertebral discs, annulus fibrosis, and nucleus pulposus. How do we remember that? Isn't a jelly donut, doesn't it have good fiber in the donut? Maybe not good, but it has fiber. So the outside, this outside section of the donut is made up of fiber. Isn't the inside full of jelly? Isn't jelly made from fruit? Don't you have pulp in orange juice? So the inside is pulp. How I remember it is fiber on the outside, pulp on the inside, nucleus. A nucleus is in the center of the cell, right? So we just call nucleus pulposus, right? Nuclear pulp. And then annulus. Annular is like year-round, you're going around and around. So I remember annulus fibrosis for the outside. So that's the two parts. If I press too hard on one side, what happens is the pulp can push out the other way. If it does push out and cause compression, then it's herniated disc. Annulus fibrosis, nucleus pulposus, right? Here we go. The pulp on the inside, the fiber on the outside. Annulus fibrosis, nucleus pulposus. And then let's see how it would cause compression. You see the front? It has a really thick ligament. So it's anterior longitudinal ligament. If I bend forward this direction and I curl my spine forward, what happens to the pressure on the front of the donut?